हेलो एवरीवन। आज की लेक्चर में हम सीखेंगे कि हम गूगल कैनवास का यूज़ किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप लोगों को आपके सर्च इंजन पे टाइप करना होगा गूगल कैनवास लाइक दिस। ओके, देन प्रेस एंटर। ओके, आप चाहें तो सिर्फ गूगल कैनवास लिखकर सर्च कर सकते हैं या फिर आप पूरी वेबसाइट का एड्रेस भी टाइप कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ canvas.apps.chrome. Okay, now let's click on this. Okay, I have already signed it here. जब भी आप इसे पहली बार ओपन करेंगे तो आपको आपकी जीमेल आईडी या फिर जी सूट आईडी से लॉगिन करना होगा। ओके, नाउ यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर दो टैब हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज़ न्यू ड्राइंग एंड अनदर वन इज़ न्यू फ्रॉम इमेज। तो लेट्स first we learn how to use this new drawing. Okay, click on this. Okay, here is the landing page, here is the toolbar. Okay, अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सीखते हैं कि हम पेंसिल का यूज़ कैसे कर सकते हैं। here is your pencil. Okay, whatever I write on the screen it appears like this. For an example, I have to write a formula like this. Okay, it is too small for my purpose because if I take an online class, students are not able to see this, so I have to use this marker. Okay, like this. Now student uh, can easily see this. Okay, there are many other options. Let's use one by one. First option is pencil, we have already used this. Okay, now second option is pen, third option is marker, fourth option is chalk. Okay, and last option is eraser. There is a color plate. Okay, let's change the color. You can either choose from this or you can customize your own color from there with this. Okay, if I want to change the shade I can use this. Okay, again click on this button, this window will disappear like this. Okay, so let's use chalk, a square. Okay, now let's see the eraser button. Okay, it's just like a eraser. Okay, but it is too short, so what can I do for that? Just click on this brush size and opacity. Okay, यहाँ मैं इसका साइज थोड़ा सा एनलार्ज कर दी. ओके, you can see I can easily erase all such drawings. Okay, so let's do some productive work here. Suppose I want to draw a flower, so how can I draw it? Okay, just use this marker and this plate. Okay, add some yellow color. Suppose I want to draw a petal with the help of chalk, so I can use this red color. Okay, this and this. Okay, now I want to use some shading, so I can use this pen. Okay, and this suppose this I have to use. Okay, now I want to draw a leaf, so and a stem also, not a stem, just we draw a leaf. Okay, so in this way you can use Google Canvas. Okay, for higher education purpose you can also use this, so we can learn more feature of this software or this app in the next video.